I have recently been going through a treasure trove of good syngas and catalyst information that Scott Osborne has saved and came across this question, which is asked to us periodically, which is what is the maximum rate of heat up on on your catalyst, or on the flip side, maximum rate of cool down. The concern with heating up too quickly is this causing mechanical stress on the catalyst particle and then compromising the structural integrity. One thing to consider is the mechanical stress on the reactor vessel itself. This is a big constraint. So the heat up rate provided by the manufacturer of your reactor should be checked and followed. It's not just the catalyst. Think about the reactor also. For catalyst, a very general recommendation is to heat up and cool down no faster than 100 degrees Celsius per hour. But again, this can be checked and discussed with your Clariant Catalyst account manager. But again, check on the mechanical stress of your reactor and what your reactor is allowed as far as heat up and cool down goes. Have a great day.